Hey, what's up everyone? We will be doing an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Pack. Alright, as you can see before I open it, I bought this from iStore. They had it on special, so decided to give it a try. Read quite a few reviews. Really liked how this camera does, its performances, etc, etc. So we will be doing a quick unboxing and see what is inside the packet. Nothing major. Performance and testing will be I will be doing it on a later stage. Today basically just doing unboxing. What the hell, this is difficult. Okay, give me a second. Oh jeez, alright. Okay, so unboxing, take the scissors away. Unboxing will be quite easy. Okay, there's a lot of paper. Oh wow, such a big box just for this little thing. Okay, so as you can see, DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. Very good, solid packaging, not gonna lie. Alright, so I paused there a little bit just to adjust the cameras, but here we go. This is the packaging. Yeah, I'm using my phone to record this, so the quality, the focus might not be as good as this action camera that we are seeing right now. Yeah, let's open it. Let me try and get it without damaging the box. Okay, first time doing a packaging reveal opening, so I'm not sure how we can go about doing this. I'm not a pro at unboxings. Oh jeez, I really suck at this. Ooh, I really damaged the box. Okay, so let's take a look what is inside. I'm very excited for it. Okay, what does it say? Open. All right, guess I need to seal that. Oh wow, okay, cool. Osmo Action 4 accessories. Okay, let's take out the accessory box. Quite heavy. Alright, what's in here? Osmo Action 4. Cool. Ah, this is the stick that I was told. There was absolutely nothing inside. Let's throw it inside. Fantastic, this is freaking awesome. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually very nice. Oh wow, okay. Okay, rubber grip. Extremely solid. Very good quality. Okay, warning thing. Let's do it. It's actually quite nice. So this is the accessories. Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, what is this? Okay, one of the brackets. Let's open them up. It's one of the brackets. Smaller ones, I think. What's inside? Yes, this is the Adventure Pack battery, portable battery charger with 3 batteries inside. So I don't have to worry about running it out. What is this? What is this? Oh, okay, one of the camera thingamajig for the cover, I think. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it here on the side in the packaging. And the rest is just some stickers, some of the Action 4 booklets, instruction manuals. No, this is the main one. Osmo Action 4. This is the big boy. Ooh, it's very good tight. Okay, nope, not yet. This is the bracket. It's fitted inside, very solid. This is the curve. Nope. Okay, this is a 2 screw thingy majigs, and then another bracket. Another bracket for the camera itself. This one is shorter, one is longer for different adjustments on the camera. And then what is this? This is for the curved mount with the 3M double-sided tape on it. What I'll be using this is I'll be sticking this to the helmet, and then we can put the camera, so you see it's curved. Okay, the packaging, and then this is the actual bracket, which can apparently be done in vertical and horizontal mounting. So horizontal is basically mount onto the camera. Vertical will be, you will need the bracket, and then it mounts onto one of these ones there, and it's magnetic and it clips on. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Oh, they, okay, wow, okay, that's tight. Yeah, that's, it clips on. It's magnet. Ooh. Okay, cool. Now where's the camera? There's the baby. This is the camera. DJI Action 4 touchscreen. Okay, so this is the basic unboxing of the DJI Osmo Adventure Pack with 3 batteries and the necessary brackets, so for extra long recordings. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, and comment on whether if you have this camera or not. Do you prefer this one or the Insta360 or even the GoPro fans? I'm not sure. I had a GoPro, don't like it, always overheats, and now I'm using this Action 4. We'll be testing it out fairly soon on my Harley. So like I said, stay tuned, subscribe for even more fantastic content. Cheers.